You're listening to Fresh Air. Fresh Air. RSU's official radio station.
The thing is, the motto of this university is open spaces, open minds. And my question is, where's that if you close down human rights?
Yeah.
At the only uni in the UK. Yeah, exactly. They
society.
just erase the whole point of the uni slogan in that case.
I mean, human rights, I think, is, well, the clue's in the name, really.
Yeah.
A lot of people, although don't really understand what is their basic human right, they just assume that it is because people tell them to.
See, that's what society is for.
Obviously it's coming to that time of year where we haven't run out of our loans, we're not scraping the pennies together, but we're starting to feel a little bit guilty if we go on a shopping spree. In that middle zone, I agree. All the other kids with the pumped up kicks, you better run, I'll run my gun. Baby, I feel right, music sounds better with you. Dream on, 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 dream on.
What have we got coming up today then? We've got the week in sport. That's where we go through what's happened this week in sport. We've got the match day review. Hal, you've got the match day review this week, haven't you? Which game did you go to?
I was at Upton Park on Saturday. I saw West Ham versus Leicester.
Oh,
3 o'clock.
fantastic
3
game.
o'clock. 3 o'clock.
Don't reveal the scoreline yet, though,
No,
just for those listeners that aren't as dedicated as us and do not keep up with the championship scores. We feel that we've got the show to a pretty good level now. We're all relatively comfortable with the process of making a radio show, and I think it's, I don't want to, go ahead too far, but it's probably the best radio show on Fresh Air.
We've got sleep anecdotes, we've got Joe's hypothetical situation round, music by FIFA.
Yeah, FIFA playlist.
FIFA playlist.
You're listening to Fresh Air, the station for Roehampton students by Roehampton students.